Hello everyone, I'm Karmanya, a technical marketing engineer from Cisco Systems India. I primarily work on Cisco's core security portfolio products like Cisco Secure Workload and Cisco Secure Firewall. We are kicking off a YouTube playlist to showcase how true micro-segmentation can be achieved for your Kubernetes application using Cisco Secure Workload. This is the first video of our playlist where we will see how you can install Cisco Secure Workload agents on your vanilla Kubernetes cluster. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. First things first, let's log in into Secure Workload and from the menu tab, head on to Workload and then Agents. Then click on Installer and then Agent Script Installer. To reduce any inertial friction, Cisco Secure Workload provides a simple script that you can run to install agents on all the supported environments. Select Kubernetes as your platform, choose the tenant you want this environment to show up in. I let it be default, and lastly, select if your Kubernetes cluster will require a HTTP proxy to reach Secure Workload. Once done, download the script. Let's move to our Kubernetes environment now. I have already copied the installer script onto my controller node. I have named it master node here. In this vanilla Kubernetes environment, I have one controller node and 3 worker node set up that serve a web application. Please note that you will run the installer script from the control pane and the agent will be installed as a daemon set. Before we run the script, there is something that we have to verify on our worker nodes. Quickly SSH into your worker node. If you have containerd runtime, we need to make sure that the config path is set correctly in the config.toml file. First, we will become a root user and let's edit our config file under containerd. Find the plugin containerd registry section and add this path. Make sure you do the same across all worker nodes. Once that's done, let's head back to our master node and install the agent via the bash script. To run the script, you can simply copy paste the commands displayed on the Cisco Secure Workload agent installer page. If the installation is successful, you will get a message stating deployment of daemon set is complete. To verify the deployment, you can run both the commands displayed on the terminal output. Let me quickly clear the screen and run the command. As you can see, we have Tetration Linux agent running successfully right now. Let's also take a look at our pods. I will run the kubectl get pods command and we can see our pods are also running quite nicely. Well, it seems like our agent have installed correctly. Now let's go ahead and take a look on Cisco Secure Workload agent list page just to check if our worker nodes are getting populated there. Okay, from your agent installer script page, head to agent list. All your Kubernetes nodes should be visible here. In our case, all 3 worker nodes are here. I can expand them to get details like IP and operating system. Optionally, I can click on the agent to get full in-depth insight about nodes, ranging from things like what packages are running on them, what are the current CPU and memory stats, and many more things. That's it for the video, guys. Stay tuned to get notified of all the upcoming videos in this playlist. Links to all the important documents will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.